Hey, what's up? Welcome back. It's Matt with MJ Gabel. Today I'm going to cover, will the lab-grown diamond market take over the Moissanite market? This topic came to me just the other day, this week, as I had a client reach out to me who has a Moissanite in a ring, and she wants to replace that Moissanite with a lab-grown diamond. Why, you ask? Well, at least I asked why. Probably because the diamond she can put in that, the lab-grown diamond, I think she was gonna buy it for like $299. So we'll call it $300 for a 1 carat lab grown diamond. Now, if you're a Moissanite person and you're not really versed in lab grown diamonds, here's what I'll tell you about the lab grown stones. All of them, as far as the new goods that are in the marketplace, are all GH color or better, and they're all VS2 clarity or better. Now, granted, Moissanites are typically VS quality, VVS quality, but with Moissanites, you sometimes get a green underhue color to the stone, sometimes gray. Also, with Moissanites, you get a different kind of reflective light pattern inside the diamond. It doesn't necessarily reflect the light as well as a diamond does. So, in my opinion, and professionally speaking, I think that a lab-grown diamond is a much, much better option than a Moissanite. Moissanites don't hold their value. Lab-grown diamonds really don't either. But if you ask me to choose between one or the other, for sure, lab-grown diamond, 100%. And that even goes as far as treated natural diamonds, laser enhanced, clarity enhanced, filled, fractured, whatever. If you're going to offer me a natural diamond that has got any type of enhancement, I'm going to go lab grown. The price point's going to be less expensive. Yes, it's lab, it's not natural, but you're going to get a much better quality product at the end of the day. So I know in Canada, in that market, Moissanites are really, really strong. They're really popular. I'm here to tell you that I think that where the lab grown prices are finally settling at, which I believe they're settling, if you can pick up a 1 carat round for $300. If you look at the Moissanite prices, I'm willing to bet they're fairly close. Now, I don't deal a lot with Moissanite. I don't like them. Those are truly a synthetic. They are not a diamond material. They are diamond simulant, but not a lab grown. So I don't really mess with the Moissanites. Not that there's anything wrong with it. A lot of people can't afford a diamond. I understand. It's a great alternative. We've suggested it to clients before. I get that part of it. But now that they're so competitively priced, I do think that it's going to make Moissanites obsolete. I mean, why would you keep them around? Let's just say, and some of you may comment below and tell me the prices, but let's just say a 1 carat Moissanite, and I could look through one of my manufacturers like Stellar or one of the Moissanite dealers that I'm familiar with and look at the price points. But I'm willing to bet that a 1 carat Moissanite has got to run retail $200 to $500. Has to. If you can pick up a lab-grown diamond for $400 to $500 or $300 to $500, why wouldn't you go lab-grown? I mean, it's a diamond. It's certified. It's not a Charles and Covard Moissanite, which I think, like I said, lab-grown diamonds are a much better product than Moissanite. So, long of it is, I think that the lab-grown diamond market's going to disrupt the Moissanite market as well as the natural market. We've seen that happen over the past months, and that's my take on it. If you guys want me to cover a topic, do me a favor, comment below. If you like the content I put out there, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It allows us to grow. And as always, guys, thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day.